Gracie and amigo, masters of mimicry. Now Gracie here, she has something to say to all of you. Now Gracie, let's welcome Dan. Wow, so what did she say? Okay, she said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Now let's do that again, shall we? Yeah, one more time, Gracie. Let's welcome Dan. There you go! Thank you very much, Gracie.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to see the wings of the world at Bird Paradise Mandai Wildlife Reserve, Singapore. Featuring an all-star cast of our most popular birds and rising scene stealers, the Wings of the World presentation at Bird Paradise showcases their natural talents, breathtaking plumage, and sharp-as claws IQ. Catch the friendly duel of parrots as they try to outdo each other with speed, agility, and showmanship. Observe the habits of endangered hyacinth macaque and great-pied hornbill pals Sunny and Vicky as they fly freely in the wild. Marvel at the mimicking ability of Amigo, our yellow-named Amazon parrot, the only bird in the world that can sing in 3 languages. Just raise your hand and you might be chosen to pull a knotted rope of goodies for the sun conures, our adorable pint-sized parrots. For a mesmerizing and unforgettable grand finale, witness one of the world's biggest flock of birds swoop onto center stage, a high-flying symphony of colors, sounds, and energy. Presentation schedule may be subjected to changes due to private events at times. Please download the Mandai app or check outside for any changes in presentation time. Location: Sky Amphitheatre. Presentation time: 12:30 p.m. and 5 p.m.
Wow. Now, do you know that I traveled from Scotland to England and all the way down to Amphitheatre just to see as many birds as I can in a single year?
Wow, that's really amazing. Why not tell us how many birds have you seen?
Okay, so last year I saw about 700 different species of birds, but before the year ends, I would like to break my own record and see 1,000 species or even more!
Hashtag for you.
What is it?
Hashtag show off.
Hashtag you're just jealous.
Right? Okay, jokes aside, let's begin with our adventure and meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First up, South America. Let's go. Now we'll be taking a drive to the port, then a boat ride on the Temple River. Then you might see the footprints of a jaguar or even spot a rain hunter. Everyone look around you! Wow! Well, you are in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet, the Peruvian Amazon. Where hundreds of birds gather every day to look up okay. Now this clinic is the largest of its kind in the world.
Now everyone keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Ferrari and Lambo, the Scarlet Macaws. Now of course like that we can
Really amazing. So no outside tummies. Looks like Ferrari and Lambo are enjoying the salty peas. Everyone, let's give them a big hand. Yes.
I want to see more birds.
See more?
Yes, of course.
Sure, let's go.
Let's not stop. How about you fly with me to Southeast Asia? Let's go!
So it is top.
Stop right there.
Stop?
Yes.
So everyone, welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. Home to 3,500 birds from over 400 Indian species. Wow! Hey, you want to see more? Okay, use your bino, look around, you like that. Wow! Okay, so I have a very important question. Is there enough birds for you?
Of course not. Remember, I want to see 1,000.
1,000? Okay, I have another hashtag for you. Hashtag crazy bird lady.
Yes, you're right.
Okay, we'll be welcoming even more birds. Everyone keep your eyes up there. And then here comes Higgins. Oh, and a perfect touchdown. Good afternoon to you, Higgins. Well, Higgins here, he's a green-winged macaw. Now, green-winged macaw, they are the second largest in the macaw family. And Higgins is about 10 years old.
Now everyone with me here, this is Kitty, a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now sulfur-crested cockatoos like Kitty here, they can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. So by the way, that is how we got their names because of the color of their crest, it's yellow.
Well, parrots live for life and make devoted parents, so they use the belly tree cavities just like these tree hollow to build a nest.
That's right. So these birds, they use nesting materials like twigs, tree barks, like even have some dried leaves. So if the cavity is too small, they will use their beaks to enlarge them. So what are we waiting for? Let's watch these two birds in action. Alright, I think you can go first.
Let's go. Well, Higgins, your turn. Wow, look at the flight. So Higgins, you know what to do? Let's put this right inside. And drop it. There you go. So if you're wondering what's happening inside, everyone look at the screen.
Screen.
There's the screen. Yay! Higgins, it's you.
Hello, Higgins. Gigantic Higgins.
Yes.
Remember Kitty?
Oh, this is Higgins.
But where's your twig?
Wait, no more. Oh, there?
Hi. Hey, peekaboo.
I see you. Look at that. Okay, Higgins, you did a great job. Time for us to fly back to Shahira. Let's go. There you go. Everyone has Higgins. Higgins, and I want to watch you next. A round of applause.
Hey, is that a rooster? A rooster and a cock. Where is the rooster? You mean it's behind me? Oh, find it out. I found the rooster. It's right there.
Hey, rooster. But that is not the rooster that you are looking for.
Then where is it?
The rooster is right over here.
No, mommy. That is an Amazon parrot, not a rooster.
Okay, looks like you know what it means. Why not let me prove this to you?
Okay.
Just stand there and listen. Okay, Chrissy. Turn around. Okay, come on. Now let's prove it to her. Can you do the rooster? There you go, rooster. And here, believe me now.
I believe you, rooster.
Rooster. So from me, Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. Now Quincy here, she has something to say to all of you. Now Quincy, let's welcome Dan. Wow. So what did she say? Okay, she said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Now let's do that again, shall we? Okay, one more time, Quincy. Let's welcome Dan. There you go. Thank you very much, Quincy. Now, Quincy can also mimic other animal sounds, and the animal is a cat. Okay, looks like she's still munching onto her treats right over there. Let's give her some time, okay? Okay, Quincy, so once you're done, let's give her some of the pet, shall we? Now, Quincy, sound of a cat. Oh, what a very cute cat. Let's move on to high-tech sounds. Now the high-tech sound will be the ringing telephone. Okay, looks like the telephone is on silent mode. Okay, let's try that again. Please see, let's see the ringing telephone. There you go, everyone. Let's give PC a big hand.
Now, parrots, they imitate sounds and calls made by their family members in the wild. So when Quincy and Amigo hear maybe human sounds, they are just doing what other parrots do around them.
That's right. So Quincy and Amigo's family are the Mandai staff.
Yes, you got that right. Okay, so this time everyone, let's hear Amigo mimic some sound, shall we? So let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello? Ah, there you go, very nice and sweet hello. Okay, so as you all know, his name is Amigo, right? But he can introduce himself. Tell everyone your name. Amigo! Oh, tell what's your name? Amigo! Amigo it is. Okay, now Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? He's asking how are you? So how are you all doing today? Good? Excellent. Now not only that, Amigo he also loves to sing and he can sing the birthday song. So a show of hands, anyone of you celebrating your birthdays today? Raise up your hands, birthdays. Where? Oh, okay, I see. 1, 2. Anybody else? Over there? 3. Okay, so for the 3 of you, I hope I did not miss out on anyone else. Okay, now this next song goes out to you. Amigo, are you ready? Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. There you go. Happy birthday, Amigo, and thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here at Bird Paradise. Now I must say that was pretty amazing, right?
That's right, but hold on everyone. Quincy, she is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, he is 1 in a million. So if you want to get yourself a pet parrot, you might get a bird just like Big John.
Oh, hi, Big John.
Hi, Big John. Hello.
Hello, baby.
That was really loud, right? So think twice. No. Think about 100 times before getting yourself a pet parrot. With that, everyone, let's give Quincy and Amigo a round of applause.
Now each year, hundreds and thousands of these birds, they are sold into the pet trade, and that is why they are critically endangered. Now Amazon parrots like Quincy and Amigo, they can live up to 50 years in captivity, and that is a lifetime commitment. So if you think they'll be great pets, sadly they won't.
That's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not? Come on down to Bird Paradise where you get to see all these beautiful birds. Am I right?
Yes, you are definitely right, but one is what's next?
Okay, let's go in Southeast Asia where we have the Oriental Pie Hornbill. Look! Well, everyone, meet Olivia, our Oriental Pie Hornbill. Now, let me share with all of you a very heartwarming story about her. So, when she was a chick, she fell off the nest and hurt her spine. Now, in the wild, she would have not survived. So, she was nursed back to health and has found a safe and permanent home with all of us.
Wow, that's really nice. So hornbills in general, they can be found in 2 continents of the world, Africa and Asia. Now these birds, they also have a distinctive feature over their beaks called a cusp. It can just be a small ridge or even big and brightly colored.
Very interesting facts you got there, but is there anything else you can share?
Yes, of course, they are feet. Okay, so hornbills, they are great hoppers. So right now we're going to watch Olivia do some hopping. Ready, Olivia? Let's go. Hop, hop. Look at the very cute hop right there. For hornbills, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Their feet gives them the strength and stability when they move up and down branches in the forest. Anything you like to share, Mommy?
Oh yes, of course, their tongues. The hornbills, they have short tongues, and these birds are great at tossing foods back into the mouth. But not only that, they are great flyers as well. So in a very short while, Master will throw a food high up. Let's see whether Olivia will be able to catch it. Okay, so looks like they are ready by the count of 1, 2, and 3. Up and away! Almost there. Okay, so let's try that again, shall we?
Okay. Alright, Olivia, let's do it one more time, okay? One more time. Okay, let's wait for Basil to get the reward.
Yes. Let's get her attention right over there. Ready? By the count of 1, 2, and 3. Up and away. Wow! What a good catch. Everyone must give Olivia a warrior by Honyo. Together with Basil, a round of applause. Well done, guys. Thank you.
Bye! Now, hornbills, they have a very unique nesting behavior in the wild. So these birds, they love to nest in tree cavities, just like that nest hole you see up on that tree. Now here at Bird Paradise, you will get to see this nesting behavior without leaving your seats. Okay, so before we start, I need everyone's cooperation to please remain seated, and when the bird is flying, keep your hands down, okay? Alright, so in a very short while, we will be joined by Pepper, our pop one with hornbill. Hello there, Pepper. There she comes. Perfect, touchdown. Good afternoon there. Now, pop one with hornbills like Pepper here, they can be found in Asia. So in Borneo, where these birds can be found, some tribes, they believe that if a hornbill were to fly over an area or a village, you will be blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? So in a very short while, Pepper here will be inspecting the nest cavity right up there. Okay, now one fun fact about hornbills is that they have very long and beautiful eyelashes. Now this helps them when they are flying through the thick bushes of the rainforest. It helps to protect their eyes, okay? So if you'd like to see more hornbill species, do head on down to the Wind Sanctuary. Okay, so Pepper will be inspecting the nest box shortly to see if she likes it. Alright, Pepper? Anytime you're ready. Okay, look at her, slowly inspecting her surroundings, making sure there are no predators around before taking flight. Are you ready, Pepper? You want to go check out the nest cavity right up there? Okay, let's just give her some time, okay? Maybe she sees the predator. Oh, there she goes. Okay, now the female, she is very, very fussy about her accommodation. It has to be big, spacious, and has to have a chimney so that she can escape if she needs to. Now the male will then pass her mud and she will mix that with mashed fruits and even her own droppings to create a strong seal. Just like that. So speaking of her mate, let's welcome Sunny, a great pied hornbill.
So everyone, this is what happens in the wild. The male will feed the female, and this will go on for about 3 to 4 months until the eggs hatch. Then mother and shower in the nest. You get a beautiful slide. So he is feeding her through the nest cavity right now. If you want to look at the little gesture, everyone look at the screen. Now this is the female inspecting the nest, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Featuring down, and in she goes. Now this is the male feeding her through the nest cavity. This unique nesting behavior is shared by almost 62 different species of hornbills in the world. Sunny, you have done a great job. It's time for you to head back home. Everyone say bye-bye, Sunny. Oh, look at that. Let's give the hornbills a round of applause.
But sadly, everyone, hornbills, they are now under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbill is being hunted to extinction for its solid past, known as the red ivory. So what's happening to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds. Now I'm here at Mandai because Mandai Nature supports conservation efforts to protect these endangered species. And as a birder, let me tell all of you this, it's really nice to see these birds in the wild and even in wildlife parks where they can get the best care possible, right?
That is right, Amy.
Okay, so Wani, we have been to South America.
Check.
We came to Asia to see beautiful birds. I think it only makes sense if we head to Africa.
Let's go! Now whenever you are traveling to the marshlands of India, Uganda and Ethiopia in the east coast of Africa. So before we carry on with these segments, I will need everyone's cooperation to please remain seated, and when the bird is flying low above you, hands down. Now for those of you with selfie sticks, please lower it down as well. So once again, please remain seated, including kids. Okay, so when the bird is flying low above you, hands down. For those of you with selfie sticks, please lower it down. Thank you.
Alright, now we are here to see a very special bird. They can be found in lakes, ponds and lagoons of southern Arabia and Africa. Now who am I talking about? Rose, the pink-backed pelican. Rose? Oh, there she is. Hello. Let's just give Rose some time, okay? It's a little bit windy. Can you feel some of the wind? Yay. Rose, where are you going?
Whoa, looks like she's going this way.
Let's see if she's gonna come back out, okay? Now let me tell you a little bit of fun facts about pink-backed pelicans.
Yes, although they are not by being hungry, only they're large, but they're lightweight. Yes, that's right.
Okay, Rose, you want to fly all the way to the last perch? Look at that, there she goes. Okay, as you mentioned earlier, they are lightweight, but they have a huge wingspan that can measure up to about 9 feet wide, so it's about this long. Okay, alright, now Rose has done a pretty good job. It's time for her to head back home. Okay, Rose, you know where home is, right? Home is that way. Look at that, Fazil is calling you. So by the way, that is how they got their names, pink-backed pelicans, because when they spread their wings open to fly, you can actually see the patches of pink feathers. I think Rose is really enjoying
The view right there.
Yes, the view right there. Rose, anytime now. How many more birds coming up in the show? All the way back, come on, back. And a touchdown. Can we give Rose a big hand, everyone? Before we carry on, I need your help to push that stump to the side. Are you ready?
Do this again.
Let's go, let's go. And there you go, perfect. Now birds, they are everywhere. They can be social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young, smart and agile. They are one of the strongest creatures that you can find on this planet. And that is why I love traveling across continents just to see them. But, Moni,
Yes,
you know what would really be great right now?
what is it?
Is to be able to see as many birds as we can right here and right now.
Right now? Oh, you know what, Ning? Your wish is about to come true.
Really, how?
Follow me.
Yeah.
you can bring them home in the form of flash toys. Now those flash toys are only going off at a special price right here at this Amphitheatre. It's going off at $12, okay? So if you are interested, just hit up with them. We have our retail staff to listen to. So once again, those flash toys are only going off at $12 right here at this Amphitheatre. Now in a very short while, we'll be having a photography session with the birds in the background. So
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified of my latest uploads.
So try not to miss this opportunity to have your photos taken with our
See you in next video. Thank you for watching.
right